It's your girl, Brianna. I'm on her channel. And we're about to do a prank on his sister. And we're about to do the sneeze on you challenge. Well, prank, I said challenge. So I'm about to put some water on my hands. Put some water on my hands.
It's hot.
And you're like having my hand look at you. She's gonna get so mad. So yeah. Let me get some of this hot water.
It's really hot. Okay. I already told you.
Alright, I'm about to go. Oh, I feel sick. Oh.
Why did you sneeze on me? Now. Why would you sneeze on me?
It was a prank. It was water. It was just water. It was a prank. It was a prank. I got her good. I'm feeling good today, y'all. Alright.
That was not cool. That was.
You like these lights?
That
I got her good. Got her good. I got her good, y'all. I got her duper good. Okay, so like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.
And look at my slime.
You're disgusting. Okay, so hopefully you guys like that prank. I'm about to go see what she's looking. I'm about to go check up on her. Shh. I'm about to go check up on her. See how she feeling. Hey, you still mad?
Get out.
You still mad?
Get out.
Okay, dang. She's still mad, y'all. She's still mad. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe to this video.
How much I cut? I don't gotta look. Ouch!